Hi, welcome to Marketo theme. Here in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the most important part of the Marketo theme, like the header part and the footer part. And into the header part, I'll give you a detailed demonstration and guideline how you can work with the menu, like the horizontal menu and the vertical menu. I'll also be talking about the mega menu features for the Marketo theme. Alright, no more waiting, let's start it. In the first step, I'll discuss how you can create elementskit header and footer template. In order to do this, go to elementskit, header footer option. After that, you can see we have only one header and one footer. Now let's create a template. From the top, click add new, then you'll have a pop-up. You have to give a title name for the template. In my case, I want to give the title name default header. And the second input is the type. If you want to use this template as a footer, on that time you have to choose the footer, otherwise it's header. As I want to create a header, I'm choosing the header. Now the third input is the conditions. In the conditions, you'll have three options like the entire site, singular and archive. If you select the entire site, this template will be applied all the pages in your website. Or if you select archive, on that time this template will be applied archive pages. There is another option which is singular. If you select singular, you'll have another input. From there you will find all singulars, home page, all posts, all pages, selective singulars. From selective singulars, you can select this template for any specific page. To do this, you have to select the page where you want to apply this template. But in this video, I want to apply this template for the entire site. Then you have to enable the activation, save changes, and then you have to click edit. Edit content. After that, we'll have a fresh blank page. Now in this blank page, we have to create our header. To do this, we will import home4 header.json file to this blank page. Let's see how to do this. You'll find a folder icon between the plus icon and the elementskit icon. Now click there, import icon. In this area, you have to drag and drop your JSON file. Now let's see home4 header.json file. Home4 header, and this is the JSON file. Let's drag and drop. This process might take a bit of time, so please be patient and wait for a moment. After you import the JSON file, go all the way down and there you'll find home4 header. Now click insert. After you insert the JSON file, you'll find the same design of home4 header template. Now in here you have two types of menu. The first one is the horizontal menu and the second one is the vertical menu. Now let's see what is the output. Save the template. Now before you go to the front page, make sure the previous template is deactivated. This is our old previous template. Now click edit, deactivate and save change. This template was applied for the entire site. As we are adding a new template for the entire site, that's the reason we had to deactivate the previous one. Alright, now go to your front page and refresh the page. Now after refreshing the page, you can see the new header template is applied to the site. But in here, if you notice, there is a drop down option for the gallery menu. When I hover on it, I don't find any option. In the same way, for the vertical menu, if I hover on the electronics, I don't find any option. The reason it happens is that there is no content for this gallery and this electronics. Now let's see how to add content or JSON file for the gallery and that electronics part. You'll find two folders for the nav menu and the vertical menu. If you go to nav menu, you'll have the gallery and home. And what if you go to the vertical menu, you'll have camera, electronics, menu fashions, and so on. In this video, I will use the electronics JSON file, and using the same method, you can apply any file you want. Now let's go back to the dashboard. From dashboard, you have to go appearance, then menus. This is our main menu, and in here we'll add a JSON file inside this home item. But before that, make sure enable mega menu for this content. This one is enabled. And after that, click the mega menu button on the home item. Then you'll find a pop-up. If you're not familiarized with these settings like icon, badge and settings, please watch our mega menu content settings video. Now click edit mega menu content and then you'll find this page is completely blank. Now let's install the JSON file. Again, click on this folder button, then import icon, and here we have to import the JSON file. From nav menu folder, home folder, you will need to import the JSON. After you import the JSON file, go all the way down and insert nav menu home. Then you will find the content for home item. Now if you want to edit any of them, just click on the widget and from the left side you can edit. After that you have to click update, then close the window, save it, again close it, then save menu. Alright, now let's look at the output now. Go to your front page, then refresh the page. Now if you hover around the home item, you'll find the content is available. And if you hover around the gallery, the content is still not there. Let's add JSON for the gallery also. From dashboard, go to appearance, menu, then open the gallery, then edit mega menu content. Click on the folder icon, then input icon. Let's add our gallery JSON. Go all the way down and you'll find nav menu gallery. Insert it. After you insert the gallery, then click update, close the window, save it, close it. Alright, now let's see how to apply the JSON for the vertical menu. Now if you go to our template page and click on the vertical menu, you'll find from the left side that the menu selected name is vertical menu. Alright, go back to your dashboard. From menu, select vertical menu. Select it. From this item, we're going to add our JSON into this electronics item. Again, make sure this mega menu content is enabled. Then click mega menu button. Edit mega menu content. Then click on the folder icon. Then input icon. And let's add the JSON file. Now we have to go to vertical menu folder, electronics folder, and there is the JSON file. Then go all the way down and you'll find vertical menu electronics. Insert it. Alright, again click update, close the window, save it, close it, then save the menu. Now let's see the output. Go to the front page, again refresh the page. After you refresh the page, hover on the gallery and you'll find the gallery content is there. Now if you go to the vertical menu and hover on the electronics, you'll also find the content is there. So this is how you can work with the header part. And following the same method, you can also work with the footer part of the Marketo theme. In order to do this, you have to go to the elementskit, header footer, and when you're creating the template, just select type is footer. If you face any problem, feel free to contact us, we'll be glad to help you. Thank you for watching the video.